Why is recording POV moments always so hard? Your phone pulls you out of the moment, and honestly, not everyone needs an expensive pair of AI glasses. Cameras take time to set up and miss what really matters. So, is there a simpler way to capture life as it happens? Meet AIBOX AI camera. It sees the world, just like your own eyes. Hey Cyan, what's the weather like today?
Sunny today. Perfect for an outdoor ride.
Cyan, play some music.
Music playing.
AIBOX AI camera is lightweight, intuitive, and always ready. Pick it up, press record, and go! No setup, no distractions. Just capture what matters most, instantly. Snap a photo and let AI identify everything in front of you. Detailed voice description and app access. Clear visuals, clean audio. Designed to record effortlessly, without breaking your focus. Cyan, where is this?
请问地铁在哪里?
With this mini translator camera,
Excuse me, where's the subway?
powered by a built-in AI chip, your photos and videos are automatically optimized to their best possible quality. A 0.96-inch display lets you preview at a glance. Clip it to your chest. Mount it on your glasses. At just 24.5 grams, you'll barely feel it. Mountain rides, hiking trails, friends and everyday moments, even driving or meetings. Wherever life takes you, AIBOX camera lets you stay present, not worried about the camera. Simple by design, made to blend into your life. AIBOX AI camera helps you focus on living while it captures every meaningful moment.